What if there was a machine engineered not just to travel the world, but to conquer it? A machine powerful enough to dominate deserts, climb frozen mountains, crush deep mud, survive storms, and still surround you with the comfort of a luxury apartment. Today, drivetrain takes you inside one of the most extreme off-grid motorhome creations ever built. The 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper. An expedition monster forged for those who don't look for roads. They carve their own path. One glance at the Mack 6x6 is enough to understand what this thing is. It's not a camper, it's not an RV, it's a mobile fortress designed with industrial strength, military influence, and raw mechanical dominance. The stance is enormous, almost intimidating. Thick armored body panels, reinforced steel bumpers, tactical LED headlights, exposed tow hooks, rooftop cargo rails, and the iconic Mack Bulldog emblem sitting up front like a declaration of power. 6 colossal all-terrain tires dig into the ground with brutal force, giving the camper stability, traction, and control on terrains where normal RVs wouldn't survive 5 seconds. From burning dunes to icy ridges, this machine doesn't follow the environment. It overrules it. Stepping into the cockpit feels like stepping into the control center of a heavy-duty aircraft. Premium captain seats hold you like a harness. The soft touch materials give a luxury feel, and the aviation-style toggles, rugged switches, multi-screen digital cluster, and terrain command interface surround you with complete authority. Real-time navigation overlays, satellite communication modules, and off-road monitoring systems make the cockpit feel less like a truck and more like a futuristic expedition command deck. The cabin is quiet, insulated from temperature extremes and outside chaos. Every detail is placed for endurance, control, and long-range exploration. Move farther inside, and the transformation is shocking. Behind that rugged cockpit sits a refined micro-apartment designed for explorers who want to go deep into the wild without sacrificing comfort. A panoramic lounge window brings the outside world inside. The kitchenette is compact, but premium with stainless fixtures, induction cooking, filtered water supply, and smart storage. The sleeping quarters are climate-controlled, insulated, and engineered for maximum comfort after long hours on the trail. A modular dining space adapts on demand, and a high-efficiency wet bath gives you the convenience of a modern hotel suite in the middle of nowhere. Ambient LED lighting, acoustic padding, temperature zoning, and zero-waste design make the interior feel like a luxury studio mounted on a 6-wheel powerhouse. Beneath all this comfort lies the soul of the beast. Mack's high-output twin-turbo diesel engine delivering brutal torque across the 6x6 drivetrain. Power flows to all 6 wheels with absolute precision. Locking differentials, heavy-duty axles, deep travel suspension arms, oversized shocks, reinforced cooling, and terrain-adaptive systems give the Mack 6x6 the ability to push through environments that destroy traditional campers completely. Mud pits, rock climbs, frozen lakes, river crossings. This machine doesn't hesitate. It devours. And behind the mechanical power is intelligent power. Cloud-based navigation, satellite terrain mapping, solar integrated energy systems, off-grid lithium battery banks, climate automation, app-controlled vehicle monitoring, and satellite internet turn remote wilderness into a connected, seamless living experience. Even hundreds of miles from civilization, you remain connected, powered, and in control of every system. Safety is designed at industrial levels, with rollover mitigation, adaptive traction control, multi-zone airbag systems, fire-resistant insulation, reinforced expedition frame components, emergency braking, and 360 degrees terrain camera coverage, the Mack 6x6 is engineered to protect you in environments that most vehicles wouldn't dare enter. And this is only the beginning of what this giant machine offers. Whoa! The true depth of the 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper reveals itself when you push it beyond the limits where normal machines fail. This giant isn't just built for travel, it's engineered for survival. Harsh winds, extreme temperatures, crushing terrain, long-distance expeditions. Everything that challenges ordinary motorhomes only fuels the confidence of the Mack. Its structure is reinforced like an industrial backbone. The steel ladder frame is strengthened for heavy impact resistance. The underbody is armored for rock strikes. And the cabin is built with fire-resistant, weather-sealed materials designed to withstand nature at its worst. Whether you're driving through a desert sandstorm or navigating icy slopes, the Mack stays grounded and fearless. The advanced adaptive suspension system deserves special attention. It constantly monitors terrain and adjusts damping in real time, allowing the machine to glide over uneven surfaces that would shake most RVs apart. Deep travel shocks absorb impacts, while the 6x6 power distribution quietly coordinates traction between all wheels. The result is control, complete, unshakable control, no matter how wild the landscape becomes. Off-grid capability is where this monster becomes a kingdom on wheels. The roof is covered with high-output solar arrays, feeding energy into a robust lithium power bank, hidden within insulated compartments. This system keeps your appliances running, your climate regulated, your devices charged, and your living space fully functional, even when you're hundreds of miles from the nearest power line. And the energy management isn't just smart, it's intelligent. Automatic load balancing, real-time consumption monitoring, and emergency reserve modes ensure that you never run out of power, even in long-term isolation. The water system follows the same expedition-first philosophy. Multi-stage filtration, dual freshwater tanks, and a gray water recycling mechanism stretch your supplies longer than traditional motorhomes. Hot water is instant, climate zones respond with zero delay, and every system is optimized to keep you comfortable no matter how extreme the environment becomes. Inside, the luxury continues with details you only notice when you live inside the machine, not just when you look at it. Noise insulation creates pure silence even during storms. Climate zoning keeps the bedroom cool while the lounge remains warm. Smart storage makes use of every corner without clutter. The lounge transforms effortlessly from a workspace to a relaxation zone to a dining nook, depending on what the journey demands. The bed is plush, temperature regulated, and perfectly aligned for a restful sleep after long days of exploration. Even the lighting is designed to influence mood. Bright white for cooking, warm gold for relaxation, soft ambient glow for late-night drives. Technology, too, continues its quiet dominance. Satellite internet ensures you stay online. Overland GPS creates routes through unmapped wilderness. Drone integration allows you to scout landscapes before entering them. The 360 degrees terrain cameras let you see obstacles on every side. The onboard AI assists with travel planning, weather prediction, and system diagnostics. Every ounce of tech works behind the scenes to make the journey smoother, safer, and more immersive. Safety becomes even more impressive as you explore deeper. The reinforced cabin acts like a survival shell. Multi-mode traction control adapts to mud, snow, ice, and sand. Emergency response protocols activate automatically if rollover risks are detected. High-intensity fog lights cut through storms. The heavy-duty braking system remains reliable even under full load on steep grades. Each safety element is engineered not for city roads, not for highways, but for the wild. And as for ownership, this machine represents commitment, financial, emotional, and experiential. It's an investment for people who see travel not as a weekend hobby, but as a lifestyle. Yes, maintenance of a 6x6 drivetrain is higher. Yes, insurance is premium. Yes, the initial cost exceeds normal RVs. But what you gain is unmatched durability, industry-leading reliability, and a machine designed to last decades, not years. Customization options expand the possibilities even further, allowing explorers to turn the Mack 6x6 into a dream home on wheels. Extra solar arrays, upgraded interior trims, tactical recovery gear, long-range fuel modules, rooftop cargo builds, auxiliary battery banks, premium off-road tire packages. The list goes on. In the end, what makes the 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper extraordinary isn't just its size, its power, or its luxury. It's the freedom it unlocks. The freedom to go anywhere, to live anywhere, to wake up where the world is untouched, unexplored, and undefeated. The Mack isn't just a motorhome, it's a declaration of independence from the limits of traditional travel. A companion engineered for those who want the world without boundaries. A living space built for people who chase horizons, not destinations. And for those bold enough to own such a machine, every road, every trail, every unknown corner of the earth becomes home. If this machine blew your mind, make sure to like the video, subscribe to drivetrain, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next extreme automotive breakdown.